This 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 238 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachman is 25 feet 9 inches in length and features one Slideout, a storm interior, sleeps 8, smoke detector, oven, Skylight, LP detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, stove top burner, spare tire kit, DVD player, Colorado detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachman Freedom Express Ultralight 238 BHS is 5,314 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.